Hey everybody, welcome back. Good afternoon. How y'all doing? This is Saturday. I just did one unboxing because I'm trying to catch up a little bit here. And I'm going to finally get around to what I think is the ThredUp shoebox. It's been sitting here since we got back from vacation a few weeks ago. As y'all know, as if you've been watching our videos, I've gotten caught up on inventory a little bit. So I'm trying to get through some of these boxes and get some more of these videos up. I'm working on expanding my YouTube, so I'm trying to work on getting no less than 2 videos up a week. I'm working on trying to do 3 between unboxings, garage sales, thrift hauls, what's sold videos. We're going to be starting to do some 90-day updates. I've got a men's box that we're going to be doing a 90-day update on at the end of this month. So all these boxes, we will be doing 90-day updates. I'm trying to remember to say that. It's kind of a new thing for me, and I will be doing my first one at the end of this month on some men's new tags clothing that I got from Cozy Threads before our trip. So it has been, the end of this month will be 3 months, so I'm going to do a 90-day update on that, see how we've been doing on those pieces. We will also do a 90-day update on this box. Let's get to it. I know how much y'all love the ThredUp unboxings. If you're new here, we are Dan and Sandra. We are loving life freely on YouTube and on Instagram. We sell on Ebay and Mercari. We are full-time at this. Between listing and sourcing and YouTube, I am definitely full-time into this. I definitely work easily about 10 hours a day. I also work on Saturdays, but this is what we do and we love it. I have no problem with that. And this is shoes. Yes, it is. I figured so. Okay, as we all know with the ThredUp shoes, it costs about $80 for the shoes, and we usually average out to be about $5.66 a piece. Y'all already know what the boxes look like, but let me share with you where this one came from. This one came from Savannah, Georgia. Suwanee, Georgia. So let's dive in. I've been thinking about this box for a while, hoping there weren't some really great pieces in here that I was missing out on being able to sell. And I also thought too, since we are nearing the end of summer, if there were any summer pieces, I want to get them listed now. So I will be working on this probably the end of this week. Once I get this box listed, I will get this box listed. I will work on these shoes, and I've got, yeah. I'll get the men's box probably unboxed in the next couple of days. So let's get to what's in this box. This is, I am not sure. I don't see a brand. This thing has no branding on it whatsoever. Maybe it's on here. Okay. It looks like it's probably been just worn off. Yep, it's been worn off. I honestly am not sure what this brand is. They have been worn, but they're actually considering in pretty good condition. So they're just a nice block heel size. If I can even find a size on here. Okay. So we'll see what those are. I honestly am not sure what those are, but we will move on. Okay, what do we have here? It'd be really cool if these were Birkenstocks, but I don't think they are. They are Bear Paw. Again, some more sandals. So yes, I want to get these listed sooner than later. I don't know if you can read this, but it says Bear Claw there. The soles are actually in pretty good condition. They have been worn, but they're just a nice little strappy sandal. So yes, I will get these going sooner than later this week. These are a size. It is not saying. It's got numbers, but I'm not seeing a size. Maybe it can't be this size. Couple shoes. Oh, size 10. It's on the bottom. So size 10. So that's actually a great size for sandals. So yeah, I'll probably put these up for maybe like 20 bucks. So very cool. Moving on. Let's get this ball rolling. Okay, we have some New Balance New Balance Cush. See, Comfort, New Balance. These are a little bit dirty. Have definitely got some wear. Yeah, these have definitely got some wear, so I'll probably put these out for like maybe 15. Definitely have wear. Okay, so there's that. We're going to move on to hopefully some better pieces. Hopefully. Okay, here's some more sandals. Well, I'm really kind of glad. Okay, Cole Haan is a pretty good brand, but their sandals. Cole Haan, it says Nike Air. It's Cole Haan on the bottom, and it says Nike Air on the bottom there. I am not seeing a size again. Well, let's see here. What do we got? Okay, I might have to just measure this one. But I will definitely get these out. We'll probably put these up for 15 to 20. They're just a basic braided sandal. It's cute. The thing about sandals like this is just they either don't have sizing and they don't resell for a lot at all, no matter what time of the year it is. Okay, what do we have here? Timberland, some boots. Okay, these are actually in fairly decent condition. These are a size 7. Definitely have to try and clean that. But they're black boots. Other than that, they're definitely in used condition, but not bad. Probably put those up for, I'm not sure what Timberland goes for. So I'll have to check. I'm thinking maybe 20, 25. Some Sam Edelman little flats, size 8.5, that are, it's got the SE on the side. Have definitely got some wear. This is one of those boxes that they just really have wear. I'm not even sure if I can get much for those. I might try and put them up for like maybe $10 or something. I'm hoping we're going to have something a little bit nicer in here. Because as it stands now with what we have, I think we're barely going to make our money back on this box. Okay, these again are very used. Getting a lot of very used. Kate Spade, used shoes in this box. And that's what happens with these shoe boxes sometimes. So, very used. I'll clean them up and put them up for, I don't know, maybe $15 if I can put them up for that. At least get my money back is my goal. These, depending on if I can clean them up or not, I may not even list those because of the condition they're in. Okay, moving on again. Dansko with some wear. These are some clog pieces. Okay. Okay, the bottom of these looks like they have absolutely no wear whatsoever. Nope, they've definitely been worn. It's just maybe they were worn inside. It's funny because the bottom is really clean, but you can tell there's been some wear here, and it's obvious that the inside has wear. So, here's the other piece. Okay. So yeah, well, I don't know what Dansko goes for. I'll have to research that brand. I'm hoping maybe 20, 25 on those. Okay, what do we have here? Hoping this is a good boot. And I'm not seeing a brand. Size 9. Do you all know what these are? I'm not seeing. Is it back here? Oh, it's getting really hot up here again. Okay, so a boot with no brand. See, it's got the fabric up there. If I can read this, if there's anything in here. Universal thread. So yeah, I'll probably put these up for like $15. They're actually in really good shape. There's not much use, so I'll definitely put those up for maybe about 15. Okay, next, more sandals. Okay, here's the other one. These are Toms? Oh, I thought these were Toms. These are not Toms. These are Solsana. I've never heard of that brand before. More sandals. Size 37. 100% handmade, so I will definitely note that in the description. Okay, so I'm not sure what that brand goes for, but if it's not much, I'll put those up for about 15 and at least try and get my money back. Kind of disappointed with this box, but again, that's how it goes with these shoe boxes. J. Crew, more sandals. Again, pretty used. Not fancy pieces. Those I'll probably get 15 for. Okay, and we've got some more not bunny slippers. Lucky brand. Ballet slippers. Now, Lucky brand jeans I know do well. I don't know how Lucky brand shoes do. I'll have to comp these out. These are a size. Again, I'm not saying a size. This has been a fun box with used and size. Okay, I'll have to look into those. So again, we'll probably try and put those up for about 15. Let's see what they do. Okay, we've got Tory Burch. Kind of revived this box. They are a bit used. Probably put these up for, I'm going to clean these up. Black Tory Burch flats. Kind of revived this box just a little bit. They are a bit used. So I will probably be able to get maybe 50, 60 for these, I'm hoping. I'll have to comp these out. Normally I'm thrilled to get Tory Burch, but these are pretty used. I am happy that these came in the box because it does kind of revive the other brands. We got a decent pair. Let's see what the last two are. So yay for Tory Burch. Camper. Okay. Yeah, this is just kind of one of those things here. These are just, I don't even know that I want to list these. Size 35. Okay. I'll see what I want to do with those. And then we have some boots that are really cute, very volatile. And these have some wear, but are probably definitely sellable. Okay, let's see here. Just keep smiling, folks. Just keep smiling. Okay, these are leather, size 7. Okay, I will have to research this. I have no idea what this brand goes for. Hopefully, I can maybe get 30, 35 for those, depending on the brand. I'm honestly not sure. So, let me count them out. Okay, there's 15 pairs. The last box, they shorted me a pair. And I didn't realize it until, I thought I counted it right, but I didn't realize it until after. But there are 15 in here. Hopefully the Tory Burch will pay for most of this box. I do think I'll be able to get some for some of these others, but I think that what I'm going to get for them is going to be pushing it to do double, which we're fine with, but I wanted to at least pay for the box. 2 of these, I don't even know if I'm going to list just because of the condition. So, but you know, with these boxes, as we all know, sometimes they're really great. And other times you have like maybe 1 or 2 great pieces, and then the rest of it is just kind of feeling to, again, pay for the box and cover things. So I haven't ordered another one of these for a while, just because I have gotten some good boxes. Again, this is like my 3rd time getting Tory Burch, which has been great. I think my last box I got the Rothy's, which was fantastic. And so again, it's just catching the brakes on the really, really great boxes. So I will definitely list at least 13 of these. I don't know if I'm going to adjust my COG on the items per se. I'm just going to be definitely focusing at least trying to make back the $80 for the price of the box to recoup my money, and then hopefully hoping to make maybe $100, $120 total on everything, so we will hopefully at least make some money. But if I can at least sell the Tory Burch for 50 or 60, that will definitely help. And then these other pieces, if I can maybe make $10 on them, I will definitely at least, maybe even double. We'll see. Anyway, we'll do a 90-day update on it. I don't want to just keep dragging it on. We'll do a 90-day update on it. I hope you all enjoyed this. This was kind of one of those boxes where you just keep smiling because it is what it is, and you did get some great pieces, but you were hoping for a little bit more. But that's okay. It's all good. we will see you guys in the next one. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We have more unboxings coming up. I've got a men's box that I'll be doing in a few days. We've got more boxes coming in the mail. I think I've got 2 or 3 more boxes coming in the mail. And we got some more great sales going on. We sold some more things today. We don't ship on Monday because it's a holiday, so we'll be shipping everything for the weekend out on Tuesday. And guys, until the next video, have a really, really great weekend. Hope you all are enjoying your sunshine or getting some sunshine. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.